Hi, I'm Michael Pickup, the Auditor General of British Columbia. Thanks for tuning in to learn more about the status report that we released today. This report was created to provide an update for audits that have changed due to unforeseen circumstances. We want to keep the Legislative Assembly and you, the people of British Columbia, informed of these changes. We work hard to balance our independence to perform audit work with the day-to-day realities facing those we audit. Factors such as government responding to the COVID-19 pandemic and program changes across several ministries gave us good reason to change our original plan reporting. Doing so allows us to incorporate the most current information and ensures the results of our work are relevant and add value. The new status report provides an update on 10 performance audits. I will touch on 3 of these for you. The high-profile audit of BC Hydro Site C Dam was postponed as government took time to complete its own review of the project. As the outcome of that review may inform our audit, we delayed it to ensure our work considered the most relevant information. We hope to resume planning later this year. Our office also decided to pause audit work on the Legislative Assembly of British Columbia for up to 2 years to allow time for it to implement existing recommendations that would strengthen governance and control. Simply put, postponing the audit allows time to evaluate changing practices and helps avoid repeating work that we've already done. Finally, the Ministry of Mental Health and Addictions and Vancouver Coastal Health asked us to delay the audit of substance use services because they're focused on the pandemic. Proceeding as originally planned could have diverted critical resources and focus away from clinical care and the COVID-19 response. We are tentatively planning on resuming the audit in July 2021. For status updates on all 10 reports, click the link in the description box below or visit us at bcauditor.com. I want to say thank you for your interest in the work of our office and have a wonderful day.